YouTube? It's Amari here from the Three Slay Sisters.
I say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
And as you see by the title, I am literally pranking my sister slash friend slash everything. So lyric pranking is old, so I hope she don't find out it's a lyric prank, but she know I do YouTube. Wow, why did that? She know I do YouTube, so she know I do pranks. And she did a prank on me. She don't have a YouTube channel, guys. Let me put you on a stand. Why? Sorry. Okay. So, I text 3 of my friends, hey. She's the one who responded back faster. So, I'm finna do this. And let's do it. Alright. So, I said, hey. I said, hi. The song I am doing is Don't Tell Him by Jeremiah. So I hope she don't know. She probably do know the song. This song is old, kinda. So this wait, I don't know. Wait a minute. She responded. Oh, we was playing pool. Just don't even look at it. She said what? Okay. What is the next lyrics? Girl, I guess that must be you. I type slow, so. I'm gonna say rope, so like I could like change up. Sorry guys, but as you can see, hold on. As you can see, I said, hey, what you doing? None. How about you? But I said, hub. Rhythm is a down to I need a companion. She said, what's a companion? Something like a friend. She said, okay. I said, well, girl, that must be you. She said, and then she said, yeah, this is Reynolds. She said, yeah, what's up? And you and me. And then she said, for it. She said, you down with it. She said, what do you mean? Well, Olivier. Okay, so let's go back to Lauren. Lauren already knows. Lauren knows that it was a prank. If y'all read, hey, hi, rhythm is a dance. I need a companion. What, girl? I guess that must be you. What you mean? You and me. Now you say you down with it. Won't you tell him how you hit the ground with it? Ew, you're annoying. Laughing emoji. Say hi to my bed. Hey, what up? You suck at lyric princess. I said I hate you. And I don't really hate her. And I love you too. And she being sarcastic. But the kiss emoji, then yeah. So I'm done with Lauren because she already know. So now I'm about to do Reynolds and Olivier. Olivier said, I'm not your companion. What the heck? What is irritating? So I'm gonna say, won't you tell them how you hit the ground with it? I'm copying it because I text extra slow. I meant, what's your face extra slow? I'm gonna say it must be you. I'm gonna say boy, it must be you. And yeah, I think I already told y'all it's my grandma's birthday. But wish her happy birthday. And yeah. So guys, Reddit's with these emojis, and she's typing next words. Stop playing with me like that. Okay, I'm gonna say this part. kid. Stop playing with me like that. Only as you got me. Oh, she read it. Dang, that was fast. So this is a bleach spot. It's okay. I don't care. It's clean. It's clean. She might know the song. Where's my phone? She ready. Red. Hi, Allie. Again.
Hi.
Allie just got out the shower. So y'all, I'll be back when she texts back, cause I told y'all
I'm just getting lotion.
I don't like wasting time. She texting back. Lotion is right there. For real, Amari, stop. Oh my gosh. Bernice has a lot of feelings.
Bye, guys.
Loving love. I'm not saying it. I'm saying this. She's a for Amari, stop. Olivier is annoying. He never about to text back. Oh, she read it. She typed in. I think this prank was on Reynolds for real. Cause Lauren already know the song. I knew she knew the song, but I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm gonna say us getting close. Guys, I'm straight, so this is a lyric prank. And she say she was your best friend. She read it. She must be on the text because she reading it real fast. She must be curious like I am. Good lady. I'm Harry. Get it from my dad. Tell him what we done. Don't tell him, don't talk to me like that. Let me stop. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, she said, what are you saying? Okay, next line. Let me be down with. I could type that. Yeah, I just want to go faster. That's why I copy and paste it. Oh, she read it. She reading really fast. Typing. Down with what? Young, I feel the pain. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. And this is my best friend too. Why they keep going? Do she not know this song? Only with you got it feel like, wait. Only with you got it feel like this. You know what, for real, I'm not gonna say that. Let me see. Love. No. Wait, what? Only with you. Feel like that. Oh my gosh. She been plotting on me for a cool minute. So that's not even Yeah, I feel bad. She read it. She read it. I said, I meant cool. I said cold. It say cold? I don't know. I can't see. No, they don't say cold. I don't know who those are. Who? She said who? Who? Boo-boo. Sorry. Oh my god. She got my number stored on a fake name. She got my number stored. You've been saying, wait, you've been saying she, but who? I'm sorry, Naomi, but I'm gonna say you. I'm not gonna say nobody. She got my number stored under fake names. Fake names. So I'm gonna stop this prank in a while because I feel so bad. Bye. But yeah, y'all. She texting back. That was who's she? I'm gonna say I can't. Tell you that. Sorry, best friend. I'm gonna say this. Yeah. Just best friends. Yeah. She read it and typed in. Yeah, her reaction is hilarious. I was laughing. I have no idea what you're talking about. Of course you don't, boo-boo. Oh, she's typing again. And running what game? Throw it up. And who is she and he? YOLO. So take me off these polos. I gotta say that. She is not. Yeah. Oh, she read it. Allie again.
What do I need again? Oh yeah, a pencil.
What are you talking? Why she put these emojis? Is she mad at me? It's like, obviously. So y'all, this is the end of this. This is the end of the song. got me feeling. Okay. I'm gonna say you know wanna know. You want feeling like what? Hey, you wanna know who she is? He said why? He all late. You wanna know who she is? Yes, very much. Her name is Prank.
That doesn't make sense.
It's a prank.
So her name is Frank. I don't get it.
Last. No. Her name isn't that. Sorry.
They have something sharp.
It's a prank. Name. guys. I said her last name Prank. I said her name is Issa. Last name Prank. She said, "Wow, got you. I got you. Gotcha. Ha ha ha." It's not funny. I know it's not funny. It's hilarious. So, guys, she said hi, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like for more videos. Subscribe to the 3 Slay Sisters for more videos. And we love you guys. Peace out.